Namaste students, welcome to your online math class. Today topic decimals. That last class we observed addition of decimals and subtraction of decimal. Today we will learn multiples of decimals. How to multiple? We know that the multiple, we know that the tables, how to implement the multiple sums, we know that. So as well as you product, then you put the point, we get the solution of decimals. That first one you see 2.51 into 2. 2.51. We know that point after numbers we want to read single. Single means single digit we want to read. Okay. 2.51 into 2. So as well as product of that numbers 2 into 1 2. 2 into 5, 2 5s are 10. 10 means one digit we want to write, then remaining 1 have, then 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So we get 502. So how to implement the decimal means 502 we get. So you see given question point after 1 2 two numbers have. So 1 2 two numbers before you put the point. So நம்ம numbers given question la point after how many elements have you count and put that get the solution. Back to front you put 2 digit 1 2. So 5.02 that is the solution. Then one more question 4.23 into 5. So 4.23 product of 5 means we know that fifth table, so fifth table la product பண்ண போறோம். So 5 3s are 15. 15 means one digit we want to write, remaining 1 have. Next 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 11. 11 means we want to write one digit, remaining numbers 1 have. Then 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 1 21. 21 we wrote it. Then you see how many digits have the decimals. Point after two numbers have. So we get 2115, no? So last two back to front 1 2 two numbers you count and put the point. So we get 21.15. that is the solution. So as well as product பண்ண போறோம். Then the given question point after how many numbers have you check and count two numbers. So back to front you count and put the point. So that is we get the solution. Then one more question 1.253 into 6. So we want to product of 6 means as well as you product of that number 5 3s are 6 3s are 18. 18 ones place have 8, remaining 1 have. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 1 31. 1 you want to put, remaining 3. Then 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3 15. 5 remaining 1. 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 1 7. So we get 7518. So that given question point after 1 2 3 three numbers have. So back to front 1 2 3 three number before you put the point means we get 7.518. So we get the solution 7518. We can implement the point decimal. After that we read 7.518. So as well as given numbers you product and get, after that finally you put the point. So point we can put it the numbers means that is conveyed to the decimal numbers. So decimal numbers la product panna we get the decimal numbers, that is we know that. One more question. 2.001 into 4. So as well as 4 ones are 4. 4 into 0, 0. Zeros product of something into 0 means we get, product of 0 means we get 0, we know that. So 0 into 4, 0. Then 4 twos are 8. So we get 8, 0, 0, 4. So given numbers you see, point after how many numbers I have? 3 numbers. Correct. Point after 3 numbers I have. So back to front. 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers before you put the point. Correct. So we get 8.004. That is the solution. I hope you understood, I think. One more question. 3.2 into 1.2. So product of numbers and given numbers both also have the decimal. The decimal numbers product of more decimal numbers means how to implement the point. So as well as given numbers 3.2 into 1.2. So 2 2s are 4. Then 2 3s are 6. 2 all 32 product panna we get 64. Next 1 into 2, 2. So we want to put star, otherwise 0. 2 ones are 2. We know that the place values, how to product of 2 digit numbers. So 2 ones are 2. Then 1 3s are 3. So how to add? 4 as well as 6 plus 2, 8 as well as 3 as well as. So how to implement the points means we get the solution 384. So decimal numbers is given. Multiple asking means as well as product of that number we get some solution. How to implement the decimal means the given question and product of that numbers. How many point after how many digit have you check. This given 3.2 that content have point after one number. This product of that content also have point after one number. So totally 2 numbers. So we get the solution. After that back to front 2 numbers you keep the point 1 1 2. In front of you put the point. How to read? 3.84. So given question both also have the decimal or any one numbers have the decimal means we can count point after given question. You see point after how many decimal numbers, how many numbers have you count. So we got the solution. Back to front you keep the point. So that is the solution. One more question you see. 2.500 into 3. Correct. So we know that 2.0 means 0 is no values, we know that. Correct. So according to your choice, zeros first of all you reduce the 0, otherwise according to your choice you keep the 0 means no problem. 0 3s are 0. We know that product of 0 means 0. 3 zeros are 0. 3 5s are 15. 15 to 5. Remaining 1 you keep. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. So point after how many numbers I have? Correct. 3 numbers. So 3 numbers 1 2 3. 3 numbers before you keep the point. So how to read? 7.500. Point after zeros have means that is no values. So that is rejected. So that is the solution 7.5. Do you understood, student? One more question. 7.2 into 100. So 7.2 into 100 means as well as you see product of some numbers have 0 means first of all number zeros. So 7.2 into product of 3 digit have. So 3 movements we give, that is one of the way. This another one easiest way, zeros back, zeros have means middle of them, zeros have means that is have the values. So you as well as process last numbers zeros have means on the digit order ones place or ones and tens, ones and hundred place also zeros have means first of all you write the zeros. How many zeros have? Two zeros. Directly you should write two zeros. Then 1 into 2 2, 1 into 7 7. So we got 7200. Then now hereafter given question you see point after how many numbers have? Point after only one numbers only have. So that last numbers before you keep the point we get 720. So that is the solution. Do you understood? You see 27.3 into 10. You listen ma, how to product. So product of the numbers have zeros. So first of all we want to write 0. Then 1 into 3 3, 1 into 7 7, 1 into 2 2. So you see the given question point after only one numbers only have, So we got the solution back to front one numbers before you keep the point. So point after zeros have, so that is rejected. We get the solution 273. Okay, I hope you understood. I think 17.21 into 10, this as well as. So nama zeros first of all we want to write. Then one product of 1 means we get same numbers. So how many digit have the points? Point after two numbers have. So back to front two numbers before you keep the point means 17,210. Keep the point means 172.10. Zeros is no values. For point after 1 enough. 2.301 into 1000. So you see the given question 2.301. 3 ku 0 ku between zeros have. In between zeros have means that is variable. So this number you see 1 after 3 zeros have. So 1 after zeros have means that is meaningless. So that 3 zeros first of all we want to write. Then product of 1 into something, that same numbers we got. So how to implement the decimal? Correct. Thank you students. How to identify point after 1 2 3. So 3 numbers we got the solution back to front. 3 numbers before you keep the point. So we get 2301.000. So this is zeros is meaningless. Correct. Point after zeros means that is meaningless. We get 2301. That is the solution. Answer the following. Next one more question. Already we observe, product of both numbers also have the decimal means. How to implement means as well as you see 10.3 into 0.2. So the given question we want to write means that product of 2 means 2 3s are 6. 2 into 0 0. Why? We know that product of 0 means we get same 0. So எந்த ஒரு நம்பரையும் ஜீரோஸால் ப்ராடக்ட் பண்ண we want to get 0. 2 into 1 2. So you see we get 206. How to implement the point? Both also have the decimal means. Both also how many digit have you check. Point after one number. This product of the numbers point after one numbers. Totally we get two numbers. 2 digit. Correct. So back to front 1 2. 2 numbers before you keep the point. So we get 2.06. Okay. Then that last question, 27.13 into 0.4. This as well as both also have the decimal means as well as product of the numbers. We want to get some solution. You count and write the decimal points. Point after how many numbers they have, you count, then you implemented the decimal. Correct? So you see 27.13 into 0.4. So as well as in front of zeros meaningless. So point after point in front of zeros have means that is meaningless. So we want to product of 4 only. So 4 3 is a 12. So you keep 2. 12 means this is ones place you keep here. Remaining 1 have 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 1 5. 4 sevens are 28. So 28 means 8 is a ones place you keep here. Remaining 2 have. Then 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 2 10. So you see we got the solution 10,852. How to implement the decimal means that given question you see that point after 1 2 digit have, this point after 1 numbers have, so totally 3 digit. So back to front you keep the point, 1 2 3 3 numbers before you put the point. So 10.852, that is the solution. I hope you understood. I think some homework is given there. You will try that 5 questions I give. You will try. So single numbers are the product of decimal means, that means multiple of decimal means, as well as the product of the numbers. Then point after how many numbers have you count and implemented the decimal, you got the solution. Back to front you count and keep the point. So that is the solution. You will try. I hope you understood, I think, student. Thank you.